And when I turn the corner, this is what I see. I would go walk down there and show you that, but to go to work, I have to walk in the back door. And the back door is on this side. Wait, hold on. So I got time. Let me see. Fuck it. I got time. The Culturhuset, the Bibliothek, the library. Over there, that's the Ziekenhuis. That's the hospital. This building here is the post office. That's a little shopping mall right there. Longyearbyen. And this is like the main walking street. See, post office. Because you have to have guns everywhere. Because polar bears, the signs, the post office says, that says no guns. You can see it, no guns. That's the liquor store. Nordpole. Got that boots on. Oh, see, I got my extra tufts on. Yeah. Fruena, where you get your breakfast, pastries. The mall. It's 2 stories. See, there's stairs in there. That's a salon upstairs. I didn't even know that till I was here for a few days. I got a bald head. I don't go to the salon, but you know. Coop, Svalbard, the one and only grocery store.
Yeah, I know. You wanted to say like, but I don't. But if I said it in Norwegian, it sounded fine.
That's a church over there. Bam, right there. This is Longyearbyen where you can buy rifles. That's the only thing I would buy from there. Everything else is overpriced and tourist stuff. Svalbard Adventures, that's where you want to go. You want to do snowmobiling trips, ice caves, stuff like that. And this is my job here. Svalbard, Longyearbyen, Svalbard pub and cocktails. That's where you can find me making drinks. I start work at 19. I got 4 minutes to spare. Bam. But all the employees, the workers, we have to go in the back. And that's what when I leave, this is the view that I see. Okay, gotta go. Hope you enjoyed a walk through Longyearbyen.